Meaning of ebook.
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 E-book. An e-book, or electronic book, is a digital publication that can be read on electronic devices such as e-readers, tablets, and smartphones. E-books can take various forms, ranging from simple PDF files to interactive multimedia formats. They can contain text, images, videos, and audio, and can include features such as bookmarks, annotations, and search functions. E-books are convenient and cost-effective, as they eliminate the need for physical storage space and printing, and can be easily distributed and updated over the Internet. They are widely used for educational, entertainment, and informational purposes in various fields and industries.